is Thursday and we have arrived at Civitavecchia, Rome. We're going to see the Trevi Fountain, the cathedral, and the Colosseum. Hello, welcome to our channel. The truth is that when you are on a cruise, after you're done, you're probably gonna end up needing a vacation after your vacation. We had to get up early every day during the cruise because we had tours booked. So it was about 5 o'clock, around that time, 6 o'clock in the morning. I had to get up to get ready to be able to go to the tours. But I am not complaining, it was amazing. The drive from the cruise port was about an hour and a half with amazing scenery. The good thing is that we were sitting here and resting for a little while, so we were able to catch a nap until we arrived at the Colosseum area. And if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, don't forget to check the rest of the videos we have as part of this Symphony of the Seas cruise vacation. We visited in September of 2018, so the weather was perfect. It was not cold, it was not hot, it was great. As you can see, there was quite a few people on tours. And we visited a store where the toys are carved in wood, and here is me with a kid-sized Pinocchio. The architecture is amazing, from the street stones to the columns and details of the buildings. And here is the Plaza Navona. The plaza is surrounded by different restaurants. And you will also see different street performers like this one. There are so many beautiful places to visit in here. Keep watching this video so you have more ideas. We were within walking distance to the Vatican City, so here we see the Tiber River on the way to the Vatican City. On our way to the Vatican City, we encountered another amazing street performer. He played the violin with such a passion. Here at the Vatican City. This place is packed. Can you tell the name of this song? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what the name of the song is. And we had to walk a few steps away from the Plaza Navona to go see the Trevi Fountain. We had lunch around the Plaza Navona and we also tasted the local beer. And yes, we have to eat a gelato before leaving. Right around the corner, there's a gelato store. It was super delicious. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so that's why you see two different gelatos in the cup. And that's all I have on this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload more videos like this or others. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit the like button and share notifications and subscribe for more videos like this.